Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. This is a little tech news video and an interesting one as Microsoft is starting to actually make custom chips for their Azure cloud services. But, we're going to talk about the impact that this could have in the future on hardware that, we buy, our PCs and stuff. So two things that they announced, of course, this week is Ignite 2023. Ignite is a developer conference, businesses that look into the future of tech and hardware and software, what's going to happen in the future. And of course, the news that I took out of it as I was looking at the different announcements, this one is an interesting one and could shape the future of Microsoft's hardware division and what we actually have in hardware. So the first chip that they are talking about, the Azure Cobalt 100. The Azure Cobalt 100 is a ARM-based CPU. So this means they are actually jumping into the ARM CPU manufacturing, basically. Of course, it's for their own cloud services, but who knows where it could bring us. We could see this in Surface devices. We never know. Of course, that makes a lot of ARM CPUs suddenly. We know that Qualcomm is, of course, coming up with powerful chips, but we know that AMD and NVIDIA are also working on ARM chips. Now Microsoft jumping in. So who knows what's going to happen with that? And I would guess that one of the main reasons, we know that AI takes a lot of energy to work. And an example of that is that for one ChatGPT query, it takes 25 times more energy than what you would get as a query for Google.com. So the second chip that you see is the Microsoft Azure Maya 100. That one is an AI accelerator. So, we talked about, in the future, if you guys remember, there was, math co-processors and stuff like that would actually accelerate the computing capability of computers. Well, this is the same thing, but for AI. So this is an AI acceleration to make things more, faster and give better performance, basically. So these two chips, of course, right now are for their Azure cloud service, but you never know. This is a major step forward for Microsoft, and it will actually not only give them control over their own hardware and for their own cloud services. You know what? This could be, at some point, pushed to the general user. We never know. So, of course, it's not meant for that right now, but you never know what's going to happen in the future. And if this could actually show up in a PC somewhere and have Microsoft jumping in, with all the billions they have the capabilities of manufacturing and of developing, new chips and send us in new directions. So that's going to be an interesting future here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.